Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Minecraft server VPS world backups safely step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your virtual private server, VPS, via SSH. Use your preferred terminal application to connect to your server. Enter your server's IP address along with your username. You will be prompted to enter your password. Once logged in, navigate to the directory where your Minecraft server is stored. Typically, this is found in a folder named Minecraft or similar. Use the command cd followed by the directory path. Next, locate the Backups folder. This is often labeled as Backups or may have a date in its name. To view your backups, use the command ls. Identify the backup files you wish to withdraw. If you want to withdraw a specific backup, note its file name. To download the backup to your local machine, use the scp command. The command format will look like this: scp username at server_ip/path/to/backup/local/destination. Replace /path/to/backup with the path to your desired backup file. Replace /local/destination with the path on your local machine where you want to save the file. Enter your password when prompted to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, verify that the file appears in your local destination. If needed, repeat the procedure for additional backup files. After successfully downloading, consider deleting the backups from your VPS to free up space. To do this, use the command rm followed by the path to the backup file. Always double-check the file paths before confirming deletion. Finally, securely log out from your VPS by typing exit in the terminal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.